the dawn of aviation, early conventions and agreements. The early years of aviation were marked by a flurry of activity. Inventors and engineers, inspired by the Wright brothers' achievement, raced to improve upon early aircraft designs. As aircraft became more sophisticated and capable of longer flights, the need for international cooperation became increasingly apparent. The Paris Conference of 1910 marked an early attempt to establish international regulations for air travel. Representatives from nations around the world gathered to discuss issues such as aircraft registration, pilot licensing, and air traffic control. This conference, though limited in scope, laid the groundwork for future international cooperation in the field of aviation. The rapid development of aviation in the early 20th century brought with it a host of new challenges. Issues such as air traffic control, safety standards, and the need for international air routes required urgent attention. The international community recognized that a coordinated effort was essential to ensure the safe and orderly development of this nascent industry. The outbreak of World War I in 1914 brought the fledgling field of civil aviation to a temporary standstill. The war, however, had a profound impact on the development of aircraft technology. The conflict spurred rapid advancements in aircraft design and engine technology, as nations sought to gain an advantage in the skies. Bridging borders, the role of international organizations. As the world emerged from the shadow of World War I, it was clear that aviation held immense potential for connecting people and cultures across vast distances. However, the rapid growth of air travel necessitated the establishment of clear international regulations and standards. It was in this context that several key international organizations emerged, each playing a crucial role in shaping the future of civil aviation. The International Civil Aviation Organization, or ICAO, established in 1944, emerged as a leading force in promoting cooperation and standardization within the aviation industry. ICAO's primary mission was to ensure the safe and orderly development of international civil aviation. The organization played a pivotal role in developing international air navigation standards, establishing procedures for aircraft registration, and promoting cooperation among member states. Beyond ICAO, other international bodies also played a crucial role in shaping the landscape of civil aviation. The International Telecommunication Union, or ITU, worked to standardize communication protocols for air traffic control, ensuring seamless communication between pilots and ground personnel across borders. The World Health Organization, or WHO, contributed to the development of international health regulations, addressing concerns about the spread of diseases through air travel. These organizations, working in concert, helped to create a framework for international cooperation in civil aviation. Their efforts facilitated the safe and efficient movement of people and goods across borders, fostering global trade and cultural exchange. The collaborative spirit that emerged from these early endeavors laid the foundation for the highly interconnected global aviation network we see today. Was possible in the skies. Section 5. Innovation in the Skies, World War II and its Aftermath. The outbreak of World War II in 1939 once again cast a long shadow over the world. The conflict, however, proved to be a period of unprecedented technological advancement in aviation. The demands of war spurred rapid innovations in aircraft design, engine technology, and air traffic control systems. Military aircraft underwent a dramatic transformation during the war. Sleek fighter planes capable of incredible speeds and maneuverability took to the skies, while larger bomber aircraft were developed to deliver devastating payloads. These technological advancements, born out of necessity, would have a profound impact on the future of civil aviation. The war also saw the development of radar technology, which revolutionized air traffic control and navigation. Radar enabled ground controllers to track aircraft in all weather conditions, greatly enhancing safety and efficiency in the skies. This technology, initially developed for military purposes, would become an indispensable tool for civil aviation in the post-war era. The end of World War II in 1945 ushered in a new era for civil aviation. Surplus military aircraft, particularly the reliable and versatile Douglas DC-3, were adapted for civilian use. This influx of aircraft, coupled with advancements in aviation infrastructure and technology, paved the way for a dramatic expansion of air travel. Section 6, the Chicago Convention shaping the future of flight. As the world emerged from the ashes of World War II, a new era of international cooperation dawned. The horrors of the war had underscored the importance of diplomacy and collaboration on a global scale. In this spirit of unity, representatives from 52 nations gathered in Chicago in 1944 for a historic conference that would shape the future of civil aviation. The Chicago Convention, as it came to be known, laid the foundation for a truly global aviation network. The convention established a set of core principles for international air travel, including the freedom of the skies, the right of innocent passage, and the need for international cooperation to ensure the safe and orderly development of civil aviation. The Chicago Convention addressed a wide range of critical issues, including air navigation, aircraft registration, and the standardization of aviation regulations. The convention also led to the creation of the International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, a specialized agency of the United Nations tasked with overseeing the implementation of the convention's principles and promoting cooperation within the aviation industry. The Chicago Convention marked a pivotal moment in the history of civil aviation. It established a framework for international cooperation that has endured for over 7 decades. The Convention's principles of open skies and international collaboration have fostered a period of unprecedented growth and innovation in the aviation industry.